You ready?
Yeah.
Done. Look at him.
Daddy, go.
Look.
Go.
Billy.
Billy. Go. Let's go. Let's go.
Come.
You got cheese on.
I did.
You did?
Yeah, but he.
Stop.
Look at it. Look at him up there. Look. Look. Look.
Wow. Hi, guys.
It's cooler up there for them.
Chicken hen. Are you making a video?
Yes.
Oh, good. I like making a video. What about we go to Storyland?
Ah, we got to Storyland, yeah? What's the Storyland about? Do you want some water first, do you?
No.
No?
I'm not thirsty yet.
Alright.
Look at them.
Alright, tell people where we're going next.
We're going to the Storyland.
Storyland, and
Right
here.
there.
And we have all this.
So hot.
It's very hot today. There's the sheep having a party. And there's the windmill, and there's, what's his name? Woody from
Toy Story.
Toy Story. Where we are now, people. Very nice here for kids. Do you want to go into the windmill upstairs, in there?
Oh yes, I always want to.
Go on. And off Happy goes into the windmill. There he goes. And Happy, people want to take his photo all the time because he's so handsome like his daddy. We are in the... And we have a few birds up there. Sheep. How to cut the wool off. And there's a skeleton of the sheep.
That's kind of creepy.
Cool, huh?
What is that? New ball?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Is that blood?
No.
Just a painting.
Yeah.
Oh. And then a big giant.
Oh, a big sheep, ram or sheep, whatever you want to call them.
I want to go up.
Go on, go. We'll show people how big he is. And how small you are. You're tiny. Very big, isn't he? Turn around.
I'm coming. Okay.
Right, let's go to the
Oh yeah, let's go.
story. Oh, you want to go up? Alright. We're going to go up there. Let's go up and we'll get a good view of the windmill.
Windmill.
There's Happy's bum.
What?
Your bum sticking in my fish. Such a bum. Oh, look, there's the Storyland. We'll be going in there in a few minutes. Go. Mind your foot now because look, it's... That's the castle.
Yes.
No, lady.
That's Woody.
Woody's over here, look. And look, I hope you're not afraid of heights, people. Because, on my hand, there's Woody.
Hi, Woody.
Woody. And there's the view. We're going to give everyone a big view now of the place.
Woody.
Don't push him, don't. He's stuck on in here. There we are.
Oh, Daddy, a door.
Door down there. Happy's a bit nervous because he thinks he's going to fall through.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're not. Okay?
Yeah.
It's all in the in mind. It's all in mind. There's the big ram.
What?
He's big, isn't he?
It's big. What about I climb up there with you?
There we are.
Okay, let's go.
We're going to go to Storyland now.
That's all.
It's all about the fairy tales. Once upon a time. We have Cinderella, I believe. 3 little pigs.
3 little pigs. Just like Bob.
Yeah.
Bob. You guys know Bob? I mean Bob. My voice is not. It's different. Bob. There we go.
Bob.
My voice is getting nervous. Why?
Are you scared?
No. Okay, let's go actually.
There's the little...
Is this a Storyland?
Yeah, no, Storyland's up here.
Oh wait, that's the
Entrance.
entrance. I don't know what that means.
Entrance means is to go in. Exit is to go out.
Exit.
And here's like a little carnival kind of thing. You have a little big wheel.
Did we go there before?
And you just go straight in, I think, yeah.
Oh my mother. Oh my Cinderella. That's what it means.
There's Cinderella, is it?
Wolf in there. There's a wolf.
Wolf in there. Do you want to go and say hello to the wolf?
No,
It's Red Riding Hood, that's who it is.
yeah.
And there's the wolf having a good snooze in the house, in the little cottage.
Sound kind of creepy.
And who's this? I don't know who this is.
Oh yeah.
This is,
Hey, there's a book.
what's the book say? Wonderland, Alice in Wonderland, that's who it is.
How did she get big?
There's, I don't know, she yet. Peter Rabbit looks a bit weird, doesn't he? Do you want to take a picture of Peter Rabbit? Go on.
Yeah, he's so big.
Go on, stand beside him. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3. Boom. Gotcha.
Wait, what the? You made another video?
No, you can take a picture in the video.
Oy.
Go on, John, stand in the middle there.
Oh my goodness, it's a clown.
Alright, turn around. Come on.
Daddy, what's over there? Go there, one over there. One over there.
This is
No, Daddy. Wait,
this is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Wait here.
Yeah, and show people first. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Now what we have in there, yeah?
Daddy, this is how generators look like.
Show me. And this is the Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Is this a generator?
We shouldn't judge people by appearance, but we should judge. We should learn by people learn people carefully.
Hello.
Hello, Hunchback.
Look. Is that a
Oh
generator?
yeah. It's a former generator. Yeah. Come on. Oh look. Now we're going to show something very scary.
Ender dragon.
This is the big dragon.
Ender dragon.
He's got wings and everything. Watch how big he is. There's his wings. Oh, he's big.
So it's an ender dragon now. It's the size of ender dragon. The ender dragon.
Do you want to go into the castle?
Oh yeah. I always go here.
There we go.
Am I going slow?
And we can see the dragon.
The ender dragon.
Here, look.
Then
There's the dragon there, look.
it's
There's a big dragon. Okay.
that's cool.
I can't remember
It's
here.
like the dragon.
Careful there now, don't fall down. And we get the view here. I think
Someone is.
Sleeping Beauty, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. True love never questioned to any commitment or doubt in passion of love.
Whoa.
Give her a kiss, Happy. Be careful, don't fall down now.
Look here.
Yeah.
There's a big giant frog.
There's the castle. Alright, I'm going to press pause now for a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, Hansel and Gretel, that's who it is. It is Hansel and Gretel. Yeah, no, Hansel and Gretel and they meet the witch. Yeah, that's the witch. Look, not to trust strangers even if they treat you well. Hansel and Gretel.
What's over that? A golden house.
Yeah,
No, I mean over there.
golden house is there.
Oh wait, that might be a Pinocchio. Right? No, not it.
Anything.
This one either.
Here, turn around, take a picture. Hey, look at you.
Okay, come. What about here? Look at this Pinocchio.
Sit beside him.
Pinocchio.
There's Pinocchio. Cheese. I do. What happened to him? We shouldn't lie, and we should listen to conscience. Our conscience, really.
Whoa!
The woman that lived in the boot or something, I remember.
How kind of big is this piece?
It's big, isn't it?
I want to climb up here. So it's like
See, you can go inside, look. You want to climb up?
Oh. No,
I'll meet you on the other side.
I won't.
Alright.
Wow, this is a big boot.
And there's Jack and the Beanstalk.
I don't know who's that.
There.
Oh, right here. Oh, okay, Jack.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
What?
You should take advantage of the opportunities that life provides you.
Let me use
And there's the giant that fell.
the giant. Oh,
What happened?
web.
What?
Web.
Ah, cobweb.
There he is. Daddy, you see something in there? There's a lot of insects.
Yeah, he's in deep in the hole, isn't he? Mother Goose. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat in the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's men and all the king's horses couldn't put Humpty Dumpty back together again.
Why?
Because he broke. Because he's an egg. Exactly. Alright, come on, let's go.
He always fall down.
And this is Rapunzel. Rapunzel.
Let's climb up there again.
You can't, her hair is too short.